Good morning. Back at it again. Springtime bass are biting. Let's go get them. Seems to work. That should come on for 3 minutes and then shut off and then cycle. Well, it looks like the live well shut off and that one looks full and that one's pretty full. I might have to adjust that, but it'll come back on. Let's try some fishing. And we got more. While I was trying to get that knot out of my thing and dragging that Rapala, I caught a fish. I didn't even know it. That's funny. Northern. Oh no, it's a bass. Let's do you first. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Look at you. Pretty little fish playing around on my Rapala. My dad said I'll never catch anything on that thing. That's a nice looking little fish. There you go. Thank you. There we go. Big old northern. Wrapped up in it like they like to do. Got some girth to them. All right, there he is. Get a good look. 2 bass and a northern today. You're gone. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And that. Look at you. Wow. Right there at the boat. Wow. That was unexpected. Right at the boat. Pretty cool. Oh, you get some weight to you. You're not just a little guy. It is a fish. Thought that was a weed. Oh my gosh, that's a big old bass. That is a big old bass. You're a big one, that's good. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that beauty. That's pretty close to the one I had the other day. Let's see what you're at. Oh, you're a pound less. 2.36. That's all right. That is okay. That is a beautiful fish. Again. What in the hell? Are you kidding me? You've got to be freaking kidding me. 2 in one day? I just can't believe this is happening to me. Unbelievable. Well, a good day for the most part. The aerator works. The key works. The side imaging is really cool. But I broke 2 stinking rods today. I'm gonna have to get a hold of Cabela's. My ugly stick from Walmart came through. So anyway, good day. Caught almost 2.5 pound bass. Probably caught 3-4 bass, a couple of northern, some pikes, and so yeah, it was an okay day with the exception of breaking the rods. But that's it. We'll see you next time.